How to save favorites in Rednote. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to save favorite in the Rednote app. For this, open Rednote and here scroll through your news feed, and you can just scroll it and find your favorite video or photo. Just scroll down, and once you find your favorite pic, just open it. Now once you open it, you will see this little star or heart icon, usually below the comment section. Just tap it and it's saved to your favorites. Now in order to see your favorites, go to your profile. Once you go to your profile, simply tap on here collects, and from here you can see your favorite collections. And that's it, easy, quick and super handy. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.